Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs less boring. Let's start with simple additions that can transform your breakfast. Fresh herbs like chives or parsley bring a bright, aromatic touch. For a little kick, a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a pinch of red pepper flakes works wonders. Don't forget a pat of butter or a drizzle of good olive oil to enhance the richness and texture of your eggs. Beyond the basic scramble, exploring different cooking methods can dramatically change your egg experience. Soft scrambled eggs, cooked slowly over low heat, offer a wonderfully creamy and delicate texture. Poaching creates a beautiful runny yolk encased in tender whites, perfect for toast. For a convenient and customizable option, baking eggs in muffin tins with your favorite vegetables makes for easy, individual portions. Expand your egg horizons with exciting flavor pairings and global inspirations. A simple combination of eggs with creamy avocado and a generous sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning is a crowd pleaser. For a more adventurous dish, try shakshuka, featuring eggs poached in a rich, spicy tomato sauce, often topped with feta cheese. Or whip up a versatile frittata, incorporating seasonal vegetables and a touch of your favorite cheese. Finally, elevate your eggs with creative toppings that add both flavor and visual appeal. Crispy bacon bits or crumbled sausage provide a satisfying crunch and savory depth. For a gourmet touch, a drizzle of vibrant pesto or a sweet and tangy balsamic glaze can truly transform your dish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your kitchen sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.